All right, here's our practice quiz. So, here's what we're going to do. I am giving you on Monday, we have a quiz. The quiz is one problem, like we did yesterday, graphing with the asymptotes and all that stuff, right? That's the quiz. Now, you are being given 4 practice quizzes. We are going to do 2 of them in class together, and the other 2, you can either do on your own or not, that's up to you, I don't care, but they will be video. Alright? So, because I've already videoed the first 2, the first page, front and back, I am going to do with you the second page, front and back. So, we are going to start. First of all, we're going to close our mouths and focus in because we have a quiz on Monday. That is one problem that looks just like the one we're getting ready to do. Alright? So here we go. Here's the problem we are doing. It is on the front of the second page. So tell me what I should do to get started.
Factor.
Factor. Step 1 is factor. So then we factor this one. How does it factor? Top is top is actually plus 5 minus 1. Is that the top?
Yeah, I think.
We are on
The back side.
front of the second page. Right? Find it?
Yeah.
Yep. So there's the top. How does the bottom factor?
Plus
Minus 2
1.
minus 1. Okay, now time out. There's something I gotta take care of.
We got a whole.
First, I have to cancel those out, and then all of my answers are going to be based on that. So let's get that hole taken care of, and then Joseph, you can start filling in the rest of this. This tells me I'm going to have a hole. Notice those blanks you're going to be filling in down there. This is exactly what your quiz looks like, okay? Exactly. So you're filling these little blanks. The hole is a point. The x coordinate of the point is 1. And then how will I find the y coordinate of the point? Plug it in. So if I plug in 1, I get 6 over -1. So -6. So on my picture, because I'm filling in the blanks, but I'm also sketching. So on my picture, I'm going to put a hole at 1, -6. All right, everybody with me?
Yep.
All right, so now, Joseph, you want to add in some other stuff. What did you want to add in? X equals 2. So I have a vertical asymptote at x equals 2. If you just put 2 in the answer blank, you'll miss half credit because we have x equals and y equals lines, right? I know this one is x equals because it crosses the x-axis, vertical lines cross the x-axis. All right, who knows something else to fill in? Joseph's on fire. Box the x's and y equals 1. Okay. Anybody else on fire here, or just Joseph today? Okay, Sunny?
Why is the X asking so, is it because
From the denominator, you should have a list. Yesterday you were supposed to make a list of where stuff comes from. Vertical asymptotes come from the denominator.
I thought so, I just wanted
Yes.
X-intercept is -5.
X-intercept is -5. Correct. Trey remembers that x-intercepts come from the numerator. I'm almost done. What's my y-intercept? Gotta plug in 0 for the x's. If you plug in zeros, it looks like we get -5/2, -2.5. So all of your little blanks now should be filled in. That means it's time to connect it out to the picture. So hopefully you paid enough attention to see this happening with these dots we got over here. And how many pieces should your graph have? Where's the other one? The upper side, yep, right here. No need to, you can if you want, but there's no need to know exactly where that is. All right, let's do the back of that, the very last practice quiz. Like I said, you can do the other two on your own if you choose, but they are videoed, so you can check your work with video or with each other. One more. Here we go. What's our first step? Here's our problem. First step, factor. And when we factor, we are going to take out a GCF on the top. Hopefully you recognize the GCF. That's the top. And what about x squared minus 4?
it's a difference of square.
X plus 2 minus 2. Now that's the numerator. Took me 2 steps in the numerator because I had a GCF. Right? Now what? Denominator. What's my denominator?
I think you got a,
I
4 times
heard
2.
somebody back there say
X
something.
plus 4.
Plus 4 plus 2. Yeah. That's it exactly. And then what do we notice? We have a hole. Your quiz question will be just like this. It will have a hole. So we'll have y equals 2x minus 2 over x plus 4. This is your problem. Okay. Let's get our hole taken care of. Where will it be? It'll be where x is -2. So let's plug in -2. 8 on the top and 2 on the bottom. Did you get negative 4?
Yeah.
So we have a hole at negative 2, negative 4. Alright, well, I'm taking attendance. You see how many of those other things you can find, like asymptotes and intercepts.
Whenever nobody plug into an X, it has a case together.
And then you just not doing it. All right, my friends, what did you come up with? Did you find a vertical asymptote? X equals negative 4? Because vertical asymptotes come from the denominator. Did you find a horizontal asymptote, Joseph? No. This time it's 2, right? Yes, that's right. This time the horizontal asymptote is y equals 2. You can tell that right from the beginning. Look up here. See how you had 2x squared over 1x squared? Yeah. All right, where's our x-intercept? 2, comma 0 is a point. And where's our y-intercept? How do we find it? Plug in 0. Yeah. Plug in 0 for the x's. What do you get? Negative 1. Very good. And once you have all that information, all the blanks are filled in, and all you have to remember to do is draw the picture now, connect the dots. So, hopefully you see that. But you know that these always have at least 2 pieces, right? Where's the other piece going to be? Up here. And there you go. So, what are we going to do if we want more practice? We'll do the other 2, right?